Good morning friends. Welcome to online course on advanced microcontroller and its applications. Today we are going to discuss a very simple program of subtraction of two 8-bit numbers by using PIC18F458 microcontroller. Let me read out the statement of the program. The statement is like this. You are observing the statement on the screen. The statement is like this: write an assembly language program to subtract contents of RAM location 50H from the contents of RAM location 10H. This is what the statement: write an ASM program to subtract the contents of RAM location 50H from the contents of RAM location 10H. So here one assumption that I have made. The assumption that I have made is in RAM location 50H I have a data 9H, and in RAM location 10H I have the data 5H. First of all, we must know the subtraction instruction, how the subtraction instructions work. So subtraction is always takes place like this: the contents of RAM location, right? The suppose this is the instruction sub WF 10H, then the contents of W register will be subtracted from RAM location 10H. So the subtraction will be takes place like this: 10H minus W, and by default result will be stored in the RAM location 10H. You can change the result destination of the result by changing the D bit to 0. Okay, so we will check the program first, and then we will understand how the subtraction will takes place with the help of ones and twos complement. Okay, so let me run this. The program is very simple. First instruction is organize at 00H. The contents of 50H should be transferred into the W register because we don't have a subtraction instruction that can directly subtract the contents of two RAM location. So the important thing is one of the data or the data which is to be subtracted from the number should be loaded into W register, because the subtraction is always takes place. The contents of RAM location will be the contents of W register will be subtracted from the given or specified RAM location. So F minus W, subtraction always takes place like this: F minus W. So one of the data must be loaded into W register, and then the contents of W register should be subtracted from the file register 10H. So let's build this particular program. If you have zero errors and zero warnings, you can check the output. So now to check the output, first of all I will go into the view menu and bring a watch window. So in the watch window, what parameters I need to check? I will require the contents of I will require these two RAM locations and the W register. So W register is over here. So these two RAM locations I will delete. Here I will require RAM location 50, and also I will require RAM location 10. So I just type down the address in the address column. You will get the. Now what is the assumption? Assumption is RAM location 50H have data 9. So 50H I need to save the data. So click on the data column and just type down 9 and press enter. Then next, and RAM location 10H have 5H data. So RAM location 10H have 5 data. What subtraction will takes place then? 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9. Now we need to check the result here. Okay, with the help of software. So just execute the program stepwise. So my program counter is here. Now with this instruction move f 50h comma w, the contents of your RAM location 50h will be copied into W register. So see, yes, contents of W50H RAM location, which is 9, is copied into W register, and then the contents of W register will be subtracted from the contents of RAM location 10H. So the contents of W register is 9 and the contents of RAM location 10H is 5. So 9 will be subtracted from 5. So your answer will be minus 4. But here in hexadecimal system, the minus sign will be indicated with the help of the seventh bit of a number. Okay, so d7 in the case of sign arithmetical operations, the last bit of a number, that is d7th bit, is reserved to indicate the sign of the number. Let's check the result, then we will understand. Sorry, so execute the instruction. So your result is fc. So how you got this result fc? So let's understand this with the help of one simple diagram or table. This, so what, how this particular subtraction is takes place, how you can understand the answer, how you can check the answer. So first convert the first number into binary. So my first number is 5, so I have converted 5 into the binary. It is 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. Then convert 9 into binary. So now binary of 9 is 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. Now take 1's complement of 9, 1's complement of binary of 9. So all these bits will be complemented to another bits. So 0 will be complemented as 1, so 1 1 1 1, and 1 will be complemented as 0, 1 will be complemented as 0. So 0 0 1 0 1 and 1 will be complemented as 0. Then take 2's complement of this number. Take 2's complement of this number means what? 2's complements means what? I need to add 1. I need to add 1 to this number, then I will get a 2's complement of this. So if I add 1 to this, what will happen? 0 plus 1 1, rest all the bits will remain as it is. So 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 0 as it is, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 1 as it is. This is the 2's complement of this number. And then add this row and first row. You add this row and first row. So 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0 1, and 1 plus 1 again 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 1 1 and carry 1, again 0 plus 1 1, no carry, then 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1 and 1 plus 0 1. So if you convert this number into hexadecimal, you will get the answer fc. You will get the answer fc, which means what? Your answer is minus 4. This is how we can check the result of subtraction. If the numbers are stored like this, let's reverse the number. So let's consider RAM location 50H will have 5H and RAM location 10 will have 9H. So this is the straightforward subtraction. 9 minus 5, your answer will be 4, and that answer will be stored in RAM location 10H. So let's run this particular program again. Build. Once build succeeded, you can check the output. See, first the contents of 50H will be transferred to W register. In 50H now I have 5. Then the subtraction, the contents of W register will be subtracted from 10H. So 9 minus 5. So 9 minus 5, my answer is 4. No doubt I can change the destination of the result by making d bit 0. So if I make the d bit 0, now the result, this 4 will be stored in W register. Let's again check the output. So again I will run my program. So once I have 0 errors, I can check the output. So in 5H I will have 4, and in 10H I will have now 9. So let's check the result. 5H, clear the W register. So first the contents of 50H, that is 4, will be transferred to W register, and then subtraction 9 minus 4 will take place, and result will be in the W register. So 5 will be in the W register now. See, this is the use of destination bit. I hope you have understood the subtraction program. If you like this video, please like the video. If you have any doubts, you can ask the doubts in the comments, and also share the video. Thank you.